Monarch Mania. Life cycle. The monarch's life cycle has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. This type of life cycle is known as complete metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means change of form, and this insect undergoes some major changes of its form in its life. The female monarch lays eggs on milkweed plants. Often the eggs are placed on the bottom of a milkweed leaf, but they can be placed anywhere on the plant. Each egg is white, ridged, and has a point at the top. Eggs hatch within a few days into the larval or caterpillar stage. The air temperature helps to determine how quickly the eggs hatch. Generally, it takes 3 to 5 days, but colder temperatures will slow development. The newly hatched larva eats the eggshell first, then the hairs on the milkweed leaf, and then the leaves of the plant. The larva is cylindrical and soft-bodied. This stage lasts 10 to 14 days, during which the larva eats nearly continually and grows tremendously. It has a hardened head with chewing mouthparts and well-developed maxillary palpi to aid in handling food. The larva also has spinnerets for releasing silk. The larva undergoes several molts before it pupates. Molting means to shed the skin. The caterpillar's body grows, but its cuticle does not. It must shed the old cuticle to be able to continue to increase in size. Stages between molts are called instars. Monarch larvae go through 5 instars before pupating. The monarch larva is brightly colored, serving as a warning to potential predators of the toxins in its body. When it is ready to pupate, the monarch larva spins a silk pad. It uses a series of hooks at the end of the abdomen to anchor to the silken pad. The larva head hangs downward. When it forms a J, it is getting ready to shed its skin for the final time before pupating. In the pupil stage, the internal tissues are reconstructing to form the adult. It takes about 9 to 14 days for this transformation to occur. When the adult is preparing to emerge, the pupa turns dark and the wings can be seen. At the end of this stage, the pupal skin splits apart and the soft, newly formed adult pulls out. Emergence usually occurs in the morning. It takes several hours before the adult is capable of flying. Monarchs in Illinois often produce 3 broods in summer. The last one is the migratory form of this insect. It is structurally different than the monarchs produced in earlier spring and summer broods. During September and October, these monarchs from the last brood of summer start their migration from Illinois to the overwintering grounds of specific high-altitude forests in Mexico. In spring, these monarchs start the return trip to Illinois. They mate and deposit eggs, traveling as milkweed plants develop along the route. Monarchs start reaching Illinois in April. The generations produced in spring and early summer are not migratory.